In this video, I will show you how to change your region on the Bolt app. So first of all, open up your Bolt app, and in order to change your region, there are a couple of things that you can do. And the first thing is actually by changing your region while you are booking a ride. So let's say you want to book a ride and you're going to click on the Home tab and then click on Where to. So let's go in and click on that. And then you can just enter your pickup location. So let's say you want to start in Amsterdam, and let's say you want to go to Eindhoven. Then you're going to select this city. Let's say the center, and then you are basically changing your region on the Bolt app just by selecting a route. So you can just go ahead and do that to do it like this. And if you want to change your region like more commonly, and if you want to change your region by default, then the following thing is the best thing to do. And then we can do that by going back and then clicking on the X, and then go ahead and click on the account tab at the bottom right. And from here, go to Save Places, and then you can add a home address, or you can add a work address, or you can just add a place. So when you click on Add a New Place, you can just go ahead and enter a place. Let's say you want to add this place. You're going to click on this, and then you can confirm this location, and then you can always access this region really easily. You can just give it a name or something, and just do it like this. Click on Save. And then you can always go ahead and select this place. So when we go to home right now, you can just click on pickup location or destination, it doesn't matter, and then type in the place that you just created, and that is this one. And then you can just easily keep selecting this place, and this is a way to change your region really well. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.